That's a pretty tree. Nah, I could vlog, but it's 8 o'clock. Should head back home. Ooh, that's a fancy looking house. Yeah, I don't know if I've ever been over here. Where are we? Doing some exploring. Just what pretty views. I ride out here more often. Man, that looks like it's a golf course. I guess I could do a 10-minute vlog, right? Just do a quick one. Vlog 3 of the day. What is going on, everybody? Thank you for tuning on into the Evergreen Motovlog channel. This is video number 3 of the day, and I didn't really plan on doing 3 videos today, but I'm out here riding around these like nice country roads with the sun setting and almost no clouds in the sky. Look at those birds are warming their toes over there. So I thought, you know what the hell? Let's do another vlog, see if this one makes it into the books. Might not, but I'm okay with that. Bugs everywhere. That's the downside to the nicer riding season. Is the bugs are everywhere. I just got done cleaning a bunch off my freaking face shield, and another guy just decides to splat. That dude must have just been eating a full meal. Chubby ass motherfucker. Anyway, how y'all doing? Yeah, it's just a nice day. I'm really feeling it, you know. It's like it's the first time where it's getting warmer. It's like consistently 60 or above for the next couple days. So that's awesome. That's exciting. When I got my bike last year, you know, I mean, I went through a summer and it was great and all, but you know, I was just learning how to ride, you know, I was still trying to figure things out. Whereas now I'm a lot more comfortable on the bike. I've got a year and I think like 21 or 2200 miles under my belt. I'm gonna go ahead and be doing a little over a 2,000 mile review pretty soon here. So I got to do that pretty soon because I've been riding a lot, and pretty soon it's going to be a 3,000 mile review of the Honda Rebel 500. So this year, as we start getting nicer days and it stays light longer and it's warmer, so it's not uncomfortable to ride. Like right now, it's perfect. I mean, I do have the insert in and it's probably like mid 50s, but man, mid 50s is way better than low 40s, let me tell you. Low 40s freaking sucks. I'm like, how did I ever ride in that shit? Yeah, I guess I could title this video another Friday ride day because it's technically Friday. So yeah, you know what? This is a Friday ride day because Fridays are for riding. The things I do to be a YouTuber. I don't know, when you call yourself a YouTuber, you know? Like when you get to the point where you're like, I'm a YouTuber. Because it's like, that one dude who uploaded a video like 8 years ago, that's not a YouTuber, right? I don't know, maybe it is. But how many videos do you need to have uploaded before you're considered a YouTuber, you know? Know what I'm saying? Man, I know I've said this a million times on the channel, and I do apologize for the redundancy, but man, I hope the microphone audio doesn't freaking blow. Ugh. I don't know, just messing with it. It's been okay, but man, it just picks up my breathing so much. Like, I don't know, I got the same microphone that Blockhead has had in a few of his videos, and for some reason you don't hear the breathing, and I don't know if it's because some days I'm riding and I've got like the snuffles, and so I'm just like, it amplifies the noise. I mean, most of the videos at this point that I've edited has still been when it's been colder, so that could play a factor. I don't know if it's the mic placement, or I don't know if maybe in videos that other vloggers do, they're able to cut out the breathing enough to where it doesn't sound like crap. But man, there's there's some videos where I'm just like trying to cut out the breathing as much as I can. I managed to get most of it out, but sometimes, you know, you just can't in between where you're just talking. So I don't know, I'm gonna try to work on the breathing. Riding into the sunset. Oh, 5th gear, don't need 5th. Yeah, so I'm just gonna do a little loop here, you know. Like I said, this is the 3rd video of the day. Nothing going on, nothing too crazy. It's just a Friday ride day. I just had to get out and ride. I'm like, man, I got stuff I gotta do. Almost didn't come out. Then I was like, it's a Friday ride day. Oh, sawbird. I saw. Ooh, don't back out and hit me, brah. But yeah, I got stuff to do today, but I was like, nah, I gotta get out and ride. I mean, I've been working all day. It's evening. Like you can see, this is a sunset, not a sunrise. So the sun is setting. I'm about ready to get on home. But yeah, just figured I'd flip the GoPro back on. I actually didn't turn it off because I'm having microphone issues and it's scaring the crap out of me. You know, I'm just trying to figure it out. I'm like, what the hell is going on? It's pissing me off. You know what I'm saying? There's like 3 times now where the GoPro decides to pick up the sound from the microphone on the media mod instead of the microphone that's in my helmet. And I'm so annoyed with it. The only thing I can think of, ooh, picture opportunity. Ooh, and the mountain. Holy crap. This could be the photo opportunity of a lifetime. Just roll on over to that side. Mosquito. The cows in the background. Alright. Let's call it. Damn it, I don't remember what I was talking about. Alright, so yeah, I just got caught in the moment taking those pictures, so I don't remember what the heck I was talking about. I know I was talking about something while I was riding, but I can't remember what it is. So sorry about that. When I go back and do the edit, I will put in a quick little clip from the future right here. Why, hello, and welcome to the future. It's actually a little bit farther in the future than I originally anticipated. It is currently the middle of November, really cold outside, but I am inside in the garage and doing some editing. Came across this video, which was filmed in May. Basically, what I was talking about in the video before I found that really cool picture spot, which, by the way, I've been back to. Go ahead and check out my Instagram. I've got some great pictures of that spot and the motorcycle. But basically, what I was talking about was working with the GoPro and the audio input. And yeah, the issue that I was having was when I would go to ride and I would start talking, but the GoPro would default to something other than the external microphone that is plugged into the media mod. So I don't know if it was defaulting to the media mod mic input or if it was defaulting to the just actual built-in one that the GoPro has. But either way, instead of my voice, you hear a bunch of wind noise or nothing at all. And it was getting really frustrating. And I think what was going on was when I would, this isn't something that I've confirmed or anything like that, but it's something that I've kind of thought about and seem to have tested. But basically, if I turn on the GoPro and start recording while I'm riding and while there's additional noise around the GoPro, it seems to want to default to whatever microphone has the noise coming to it. So if I'm not talking, but there's like a lot of wind noise or noise from my motorcycle, then it seems like maybe the GoPro chooses to use the media mod or the internal built-in microphone as opposed to this external one that is in my helmet. Like I said, I don't know if that's actually what's happening, but the way I've figured out how to get around this is before I go to film and before I put my helmet on, I am plugging in the microphone and there's a little meter for the volume or for the audio input down at the bottom that you get when you have the media mod. And so I'm making like a snapping noise or some kind of noise into the microphone to try to, make sure that it's registering that there's volume coming in through the microphone. And since I've been doing that, I haven't had any issues. So I think that's the workaround for now. I don't know if there are any other issues. Leave a comment down below if you've run into this issue before and if you found a good way to fix it or anything like that. But yeah, that was the issue. That was what I was thinking about before I saw that really cool picture spot. So yeah, anyway, I wanted to just update you guys and hope you enjoy the rest of the video. Stay happy, stay healthy, and I will catch you all in the next one. Peace. If there's anything I really need to talk about, I was going to stop for a quick picture and then get back on, and then it looked amazing. So I just had to stay and take a bunch and do a couple different angles, and yeah, who knows, maybe I'll be going back to that spot for a photo opportunity in the future. We shall see. Stay tuned. Not going to do too much more riding today. Got probably a lot of riding in store for this weekend. Like I was saying, it is really nice out, so I'm excited to be more comfortable on the bike and go do a bunch of riding with it being nice out and everything. So stay tuned. There's gonna be a lot more content where this came from. But yeah, it's just a Friday ride day. Birds! Birds! Oh, this is where I did the saw dude in my intro. Oh, saw dude. Can't see the shadow now. Oh, no saw dude. That's gonna wrap it on up for today. Thank you all for hanging on out. If you've not had a chance, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Leave a comment. Let me know how I'm doing. Like the video. Like, comment, subscribe. Much appreciated. Always great to have you all out here with me. I wouldn't be able to do this without you guys. So thank you so much for the support. I really do appreciate it. I'm kind of preemptively saying this just because right now the channel's just got very minimal views. But I've only posted like 7 or 8 videos. So we'll see where it is. By the time this video is getting out, I've got like 20 in the queue. So by the time this video gets out, hopefully I have more of y'all watching, tuning in. And if not, it's cool too. It happens. Now I'm kind of in the hungry mode. Am I hungry? Can I get them all? Look at that. The MSF course is paying off. Oh, missed that one. Remember to always ride safe out there. Mind your surroundings. And I'll catch y'all in the next one. Peace.